The ancient practice of palmistry has been a subject of fascination for centuries, with many believing that the lines and shapes on our palms hold secrets about our personalities, strengths, and even our destiny. While some may view palmistry as a form of pseudoscience, recent breakthroughs in neuroscience have led to a re-examination of the connection between hand shape and brain function. Could it be that the shape of our hands is a reflection of the way our brains are wired? One of the most significant findings in this area is the relationship between hand shape and brain hemisphere dominance. Research has shown that individuals with a more curved palm tend to have a stronger left brain dominance, associated with logical thinking, analytical skills, and language processing. On the other hand, those with a straighter palm exhibit right brain dominance, characteristic of creative thinking, artistic inclinations, and spatial awareness. This phenomenon is thought to be influenced by the way our brain develops during fetal development. During this critical period, the left hemisphere of the brain controls the left hand, while the right hemisphere controls the right hand. This early specialization may shape the development of our brain's neural pathways, leading to differences in cognitive abilities and behavioral tendencies. Studies have confirmed this correlation between hand shape and brain dominance. One study published in the journal Cortex found that individuals with curved palms performed better in tasks requiring logical reasoning and problem-solving, while those with straight palms excelled in creative tasks. Another study published in Neuropsychology discovered that left-handed individuals had a higher prevalence of left brain dominance, while right-handed individuals were more likely to have right brain dominance. But what about those with ambidextrous hands or mixed-handedness? Do they exhibit a mix of left and right brain dominance? Research suggests that individuals with ambidexterity often display a combination of traits from both hemispheres, reflecting their unique brain organization. The implications of these findings are profound. By understanding our hand shape and brain dominance, we may gain insight into our cognitive abilities, emotional tendencies, and even our aptitudes for specific careers. For instance, individuals with left brain dominance may excel in fields requiring logical analysis and problem-solving, such as mathematics or computer science. Those with right brain dominance may thrive in creative fields like art, music, or design. Moreover, understanding our brain dominance can also shed light on our emotional responses to stress and anxiety. Research has shown that left-brained individuals tend to be more logical and rational in their approach to problem-solving, while right-brained individuals may rely more on intuition and emotions. This awareness can help us develop more effective coping strategies for managing stress and anxiety. Palmistry enthusiasts claim that certain hand shapes can also reveal information about an individual's personality traits, such as extroversion or introversion. While these claims are largely anecdotal, recent studies have found some correlations between hand shape and personality characteristics. For example, individuals with longer fingers tend to be more extroverted and outgoing. The relationship between hand shape and brain function is not limited to cognitive abilities alone. Research has also explored the connection between hand shape and physical characteristics like handedness and body type. Studies have found that individuals with curved palms are more likely to be left-handed or ambidextrous, while those with straight palms are more likely to be right-handed. Moreover, hand shape has been linked to certain physical traits like facial structure and body shape. For instance, research has found that individuals with curved palms tend to have a more rounded face and body shape, while those with straight palms have a longer face and body shape. The study of hand shape and brain function has also shed light on the development of neurodevelopmental disorders like autism spectrum disorder, ASD. Research has found that individuals with ASD often exhibit unusual hand shapes and finger lengths, which may be related to differences in brain development. Furthermore, hand shape has been linked to various health conditions like arthritis and carpal tunnel syndrome. For instance, researchers found that individuals with curved palms are more prone to developing carpal tunnel syndrome due to their increased risk of nerve compression. The connection between hand shape and brain function is not limited to humans alone. Studies have explored the relationship between hand shape and cognitive abilities in animals as well. Researchers found that certain animal species like primates exhibit similar patterns of brain lateralization as humans. In conclusion, the relationship between hand shape and brain function is a complex one that warrants further exploration. While some findings are still anecdotal or correlational in nature, others offer promising insights into our cognitive abilities, emotional tendencies, and aptitudes for specific careers. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human brain, it is essential to consider the humble palm as a potential window into our unique cognitive profiles. By combining cutting-edge neuroscience research with traditional practices like palmistry, we may uncover new avenues for understanding human cognition and behavior. Incorporating palmistry into modern psychology could revolutionize our approach to education, career counseling, and even therapy. By understanding an individual's hand shape and brain dominance, educators could tailor their teaching methods to meet specific learning styles. In career counseling settings, palmistry could help identify aptitudes for specific careers based on an individual's cognitive strengths. This could lead to more effective job placements and reduced turnover rates. Moreover, incorporating palmistry into therapy settings could provide a new dimension for understanding an individual's emotional responses to stress and anxiety. By recognizing an individual's hand shape and brain dominance, therapists could develop more targeted coping strategies. As we move forward in this exciting area of research, it is crucial that we maintain a critical perspective on both palmistry as an ancient practice and its potential connections to modern neuroscience. While some critics may view palmistry as mere superstition or pseudoscience, others see it as a valuable tool for gaining insight into human behavior. As researchers continue to explore the connection between hand shape and brain function, we may uncover new avenues for understanding human cognition and behavior. Ultimately, whether or not palmistry can be used as a reliable predictor of an individual's cognitive abilities remains an open question. However, by exploring this fascinating topic through both scientific inquiry and critical examination of traditional practices like palmistry, we can gain valuable insights into human psychology and unlock new potential for personal growth and self-discovery. In conclusion, the relationship between hand shape and brain function is a complex phenomenon that warrants further exploration. By combining cutting-edge neuroscience research with traditional practices like palmistry, we may uncover new avenues for understanding human cognition and behavior. As we continue to navigate the complexities of human psychology, it is essential that we maintain an open mind towards innovative approaches like palmistry. By embracing both scientific inquiry and ancient wisdoms like palmistry, we can unlock new potential for personal growth and self-discovery. The connection between hand shape and brain function is just one example of how ancient practices can intersect with modern science. As we continue to explore these intersections, we may uncover new pathways for understanding human behavior. By embracing both science-based inquiry and traditional practices like palmistry, we can create a more holistic understanding of human psychology. This integrative approach can lead to groundbreaking discoveries that reshape our understanding of human cognition and behavior. Whether or not palmistry becomes an accepted tool for predicting cognitive abilities remains uncertain. However, by exploring this fascinating topic through both scientific inquiry and critical examination of traditional practices like palmistry, unlocking the code of the palm. To begin our journey, let us start with the basics. The M mark is typically found on the palmar surface of the hand, between the base of the thumb and the wrist. It is often accompanied by other markings, such as lines, dots, and symbols, which can affect its interpretation. To decipher the code of the M mark, it is essential to understand its fundamental meaning. Take the journey of discovery with us. If you found this content fascinating, share it with someone who's just as curious and eager to learn. Whether it's a fellow bookworm, a history buff, or a thrill seeker, we're sure they'll appreciate the unique insights and perspectives we're sharing. Help spread the word and keep the conversation going by sharing this content with someone who'll appreciate it just as much as you do. Ancient mystic texts. The earliest recorded references to the M mark can be found in ancient mystic texts, such as the Book of Revelation and the Egyptian Book of Thoth. These texts describe the M mark as a symbol of spiritual awakening, indicating a connection to the divine and a higher purpose. According to these texts, individuals bearing this mark are destined for greatness, possessing a unique gift or talent that can be used for the greater good. Numerology. In numerology, the M mark is associated with the number 4, a symbol of stability, structure, and practicality. This number is often linked to themes such as hard work, responsibility, and material security. Individuals with an M mark on their palm may be naturally inclined towards these qualities, which can manifest in their personal and professional lives. Symbolism. The M shape itself holds significant symbolic meaning. The letter M is often associated with words like mother and matter, signifying nurturing qualities and a connection to the physical world. In this sense, individuals with an M mark may be drawn to careers or activities that involve caring for others or working with tangible materials. Combining elements. To gain a deeper understanding of the M mark's meaning, we must combine elements from ancient mystic texts, numerology, and symbolism. For instance, individuals with an M mark who possess strong numerological associations with number 4, e.g., born on a day governed by Mercury, may be more likely to exhibit practicality and stability in their personal lives. Palmistry. In palmistry, the placement and size of the M mark can greatly impact its interpretation. A larger M mark may indicate greater significance or importance in one's life path. A smaller mark may suggest a more subtle or hidden role. Palm readers should also consider other markings on the hand when interpreting the M mark. To illustrate these concepts in practice, let us examine several case studies featuring individuals with an M mark on their palm hand. In each case, we will analyze their unique circumstances and how they relate to their M mark's meaning. Jonathan is a successful entrepreneur who has always been drawn to business ventures that involve tangible products. His M mark is large and prominent on his palm hand, indicating a strong connection to his life's work. His numerological associations with number 4 suggest his practical approach to business has contributed to his success. By combining ancient mystic texts, numerology, symbolism, palmistry principles, and real-life case studies, we can unlock the code of the M mark on the palm hand. Individuals bearing this mark possess a unique combination of qualities that can be leveraged for personal growth and fulfillment. Unlocking the code of the M mark on the palm hand requires a deep understanding of ancient mystic texts, numerology, symbolism, palmistry principles, and case studies. By analyzing these elements together, we can gain valuable insights into an individual's life path and potential destiny. Whether you bear an M mark or simply wish to explore this fascinating topic further, remember that unlocking its secrets can lead to greater self-awareness and personal growth. Pay attention to other markings on the hand when interpreting an M mark. Consider numerological associations with other planets or numbers besides Mercury. Analyze an individual's personal characteristics and experiences when combining elements from ancient mystic texts. Use your intuition when deciphering an individual's unique circumstances. Keep in mind that each individual's reading is unique. Do not compare one person's interpretation to another's. Practice makes perfect. Continually refine your skills by studying various cases and refining your techniques. The journey of unlocking the code of the M mark on the palm hand is just beginning. By embracing this comprehensive guide as a starting point for your exploration, you will embark on a path of self-discovery that will reveal new insights into yourself and others. Remember that this code is not set in stone. It is dynamic and ever-changing, just like human experience itself.